Let me poke inside. You have to run back. Let's take a walk. This is the state of the ground. So dry, no grass. Look at that plant. That is the whistling pine. I think it's called Casuarina equestifolia. It is dry. They have pine trees, they are dry. So out in the fields. Okay, so this is the state of the the state of the grass. Where do you get mulch? Look at this. Failed rains for more than 2 years. So common here is this ant ball acacia. This is a common species here. So that is how the ground looks. Let's take a walk. So even the sheep and goats that the pastoralists walk around with, they cannot get grass at the moment. What you see is the effect of prolonged drought. The hedges are dry. Where you see some green, there's some grey water running. But all along the road, there's no grass. It is dry. And the rains you're expecting will not be so heavy, but at least the situation will change. If I was to go outside and look for mulch, there is no mulch. There is no mulch. It is that dry. So the good news, what is hiding here? Look at how deep it is. So here you can also get plants like Datura stramonium, but now they are dry. And it looks like it wants to rain. See? So you better run. It wants to rain, it wants to rain. Look at this. It's raining, it's drizzling, so I have to run back. I have to run back. Whew. I have to run back. it's raining, it's raining. It's raining, it's raining, it's raining. See? Oh, my groundnuts. Finally, it's raining. Finally, it's raining. Look at my chili. Guys, I have to get in. I have to get in. Finally, it's raining. I promised I would go live when it rains. And it's raining. It's raining. Wow. I'm going back inside. Maybe take some shots from the window. Because now it's raining. Ah, it's raining, friends. See. This is rare. And here is where I get to collect my water. So let it go there. As the rain increases, it will go in. And that is my drum with my fertilizer. So today I'm getting extra water. Look at my garden soaking in the water. It's raining. I'm outside in the rain. I haven't seen rain for long. Finally it's raining. Ah, I'm getting ready for more green in the garden. It's raining. Guys, let me get inside. I don't want to catch a cold. Beautiful. Look at my garden soaking in the water. Ah, the few drops, these are life drops. Life drops in my garden.